Thank you and hard work for this goodwill gesture. Assist us in constructing this center. As you know, this is a signature contest. And this school is seen as an icon in education. And the loss of the school was like a shock to everyone. So, again, I want to thank you and the government and the people of Indonesia for coming on board to assist us. I thought that today we'll come down and just
Already report to him, and and he's inquiring if there is any direction from him, any direction and any advice from Excellency Minister. And we're looking forward to have this project until August.
By
August.
By
Until August, from
end of August, middle of August.
middle of August.
So by middle of August, we finishing off.
Yes, but not all of the buildings. This is the main hall. There's some damaged building that we have to demolish. And as Excellency see, this is the labs. This is some of the classes, and we're gonna rebuild it with the not from the ordinary material. We have this pillars from steels.
Excellent.
Yeah, so
It would be good for us to target, return of students by end of term 2. That would be really good. I think everyone is looking to that. The students, the parents, and Ministry of Schools.
for what have the operation in the wasteland. So also
So materials and labor. Labor, only with the 100 for now. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
We thought we'd all come, and we'll probably, when the materials are here, then and work is started, we'll again pay a visit and see how things are going. Yeah?
Right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wanted to meet them in person, the head of the regiment here, and we wanted to offer them all our support so that we speed up the process. We are very happy with the work that they have done. We're going to finish this church hall. It's a church, but it's also used as a hall for student assembly and student address. After this, by the time this is finished, they're using all the material from local purchase here. Once this is finished, then they will go down to the classrooms and labs and staff quarters. And for that, by then the material should arrive from Indonesia. So then work will speed up. We'll be looking at completion by middle of August.
So you hope that classes of PBS will begin by then?
That's our target.
What's the message to students?
Well, I suggest we keep it low now. Our target is the construction here to be completed by middle of August, the latest end of August, and then we'll get PM to come and have a look at it and probably do the opening, and then we'll move next step from there. Okay.
So would you maybe elaborate more on the multi-purpose hall?
Well, we want to have a multi-purpose hall here, which will be used for conferences and student activities, public seminars and lectures, because we want a lot of academic activity here. So let's see whether we can get that in this run.